Hello, my dear students. Today we will discuss a poem by Kamala Das, and that is My Mother at 66. And the poem is very beautifully written by Kamala Das, and everyone could relate to the poem as it expresses a love of a daughter for her mother. Now we will learn something about the poet. Kamala Das was one of the foremost Indian English poets, and she was born in Kerala. And in her works, everyone will find originality, versatility, and indigenous flavor of the soil. Kamala Das published her novels under the pseudonym Madhavi Kutti. Some of her works in English include the novel Alphabet of Lust, which was written in 1977, a collection of short stories, Padmavati, The Harlot, and Other Stories, which was written in 1992. Now we will go straightly into the poem. My mother at 66. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me, those open-mouthed, her face ashen like that of a corpse, and realized with pain. So here the poet, she visited her mother, and now she is on her way back. She is on her way back to Cochin airport, and her mother accompanied her in her journey. She was driving to the airport, and that was a Friday morning. And her mother was sitting by her side. And the poet describes how her mother was, how her mother looked at that moment. Her mother had dozed off with her mouth open, and her face was colorless. Her mother was aging, that is why her face was colorless, and she looked like a corpse. Her mother looked like a corpse and realized with pain, and that thing gave poet much pain. So here the poet expresses her pain seeing her mother aging. So I have written down some of the words, like some of the meanings of the words, like doze, to sleep lightly for a short time, corpse, a dead body, and her mother looked like a dead body. Now that she was as old as she looked, but soon put that thought away and looked out at young trees sprinting, the merry children spilling out of their homes. But after the airport's security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her, wan, pale. And that she was old, her mother was aging, her mother has grown old, and she looked at her, and the poet, as she loved her mother so very much that she couldn't bear the fact that her mother would die one day. So she just tried to move her thought away. She just tried to take her thought away to another direction. She just tried to divert her mind. That is why she just looked outside. So what did the writer say is that the writer, the poet, saw young trees sprinting. The young trees seemed to be running fast. Since the poet was driving, we all experience, when we are in a running vehicle, we all experience trees running very fast with the vehicle. So here the poet tries to show a contrast between the mother and the young trees. The mother who was looking pale, the mother who looked pale, colorless, her mother looked like a corpse, and the trees were running. So maybe the poet show the imagery of sprinting trees. The poet may be trying to show the passing of years, the passing of days, because as we all know, time and tide wait for none. So here also, with the imagery of sprinting trees, the running trees, the poet may be trying to draw the imagery of passing days. The merry children spilling out of their homes. So here the poet Kamala Das, she wants to show contrast between childhood and old age. The merry children, the children are very happy. They're spilling out of their houses. They're very happy. They're in a playful mood. But in the contrast to the happy children, the poet had her mother who was sitting inside the car, who was dozing with her mouth open like a dead body. So, with the imagery of merry children, probably the writer, the poet tries to show the contrast between the childhood and the old age. In our childhood, we are free from any kind of burden. We are very happy. We live life. So, merry children are full of vigor, full of energy. But her mother was completely lifeless. But after the airport's security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her wan, pale face. So, after the airport's security check, as we all know, we all experience, whenever we go to the airport, we have to go for security check. After the security check, she couldn't stop her from staring at her mother. She had immense love for her mother. She just looked at her mother and her face looked colorless, pale. The face of her mother looked very pale, very colorless, yellowish. And I have written down the meanings of the words sprinting. So, I have shown the picture of sprinting. Sprinting means short first race, running. When means colorless. Now, as a late winter's moon and felt that old familiar wreck, my childhood's fear. But all I said was, see you soon, Amma. All I did was smile and smile and smile. Her mother's face was pale and wan like a late winter's moon. So here the poet compares the face of her mother with late winter's moon. Why? Because winter comes towards the end of the year. Likewise, her mother was approaching her end, her death. She was nearing her death. She was nearing her end. That is why the poet compares the face of her mother with the late winter's moon. And late winter's moon, moreover, looks very hazy, very colorless because of fog. Likewise, her mother also was lacking in brightness. Her mother also looked very colorless, dull, lacking in brightness. So, after seeing that colorless, wan face of her mother, the poet felt that old familiar ache. Here, the poet has described her pain as old familiar. The poet has described her ache as familiar. Why? Because from her childhood, she had that fear that one day her mother would die. And she couldn't bear the fact. Why? Because she loved her mother very much. So, the poet had mentioned her pain, her ache as old familiar. Ache, old familiar, because from her childhood days, she had that fear. my childhood fear. But all I said, but she didn't want to show her emotions to her mother. That is why what she did is that she just smiled. She was out of her words. She was at a loss how she would react. So what she did was she just smiled at her mother, and at a very hopeful, at a very positive note, she said a bye to her mother. At a very positive note, I have already mentioned. Why? Because she told her mother that, see you soon, Amma. Definitely we would meet. So on that very positive note, the poet said a bye to her mother. So I have written down again the meaning of the word ek. Ek means pain. So I have written down the question answers. We will discuss the question answers. What is the pseudonym, pen name of Kamla Das? The pseudonym or the pen name of Kamla Das is Madhvi Kutti. What was the name of the collection of short stories of Kamla Das? The name of the collection of short stories of Kamla Das was Padmavati the Harlot and Other Stories. This book was written in 1992. What is the kind of pain and ache that the poet feels? The poet loves her mother very much and could never think of her mother growing old. The emotional pain and ache that the poet feels is due to the realization that her mother has gone old and her face looks pale like a corpse. Her mother lacks enthusiasm. Why was the mother compared to late winter's moon? The mother was compared to the late winter's moon as winter comes towards the end of the year. Likewise, the poet's mother was approaching her end. Moreover, the late winter's moon lacks brightness since fog prevents the rays. Her mother also lacks vigor and brightness of her face. She looks pale like the late winter's moon. What do the parting words and the smile signify? The poet's parting words are suggestive of the hope that they will meet again. The poet's parting words of assurance and her smiles show a contrast to her old familiar act. Through her words and smiles, she tried to hide her inner pain. Where was Kamla Das born? Kamla Das was born in Malabar, Kerala. Why are young trees described as sprinting? The young trees described as sprinting because the poet is driving to the Cochin airport. The poet makes an effort to distract herself from the thoughts of her aging mother. The poet looks outside. The trees seem to be running past the moving car. Those sprinting trees outside present a stark contrast to the mother of the poet inside the car, who was pale and lack of vigor. Why has the poet brought in the image of married children spilling out of their homes? The poet has brought in the image of the married children spilling out of their homes because this image helps to bring out the contrast between childhood and old age. Those children symbolize life, vigor, enthusiasm, but the old mother lacks enthusiasm. She looks like a corpse. Thank you for watching. Thank you.